Do you want to earn $10,000 a month? And do you want to know the smartest and easiest way to achieve it? In this video, I'll provide a detailed analysis of 7 methods to generate a high income. We will compare each method extensively and highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Finish watching this video until the end, and you will discover a step-by-step approach to finding the smartest and easiest way to achieve $10,000 income within 2 to 3 months.
Let's do this.
Welcome, my dear YouTube hackers. I'm Mike Ross. Are you ready to catch a glimpse of your future? To envision the life you desire, the person you want to become, and the level of financial success you aspire to achieve?
Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist.
I have already found the answers to these questions myself. Currently, I manage 9 YouTube channels that consistently generate a monthly income of over $100,000. However, YouTube is not just about monetary gains. It is also a platform where I can share valuable and engaging information that can positively impact people's lives and enhance their overall well-being. I believe in the power of sharing my experiences because I have accumulated a wealth of knowledge throughout my journey. I had the privilege of interning at a renowned company, Socially Powerful, where I had the opportunity to collaborate with industry experts from diverse backgrounds. Learning from these professionals, I was able to create and develop impactful projects alongside them. Through these experiences, I have gained insights into the challenges and obstacles one may encounter when striving to earn a substantial income. If you're ready to join me on this exciting journey of exploring high income opportunities on YouTube, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Together, we'll dive into the 7 proven methods to earn $10,000. Let's fill the airwaves with quality, valuable information. And boom, here we go. Diving into the first method, regular job. Imagine you secure a quick job at a diner, earning an average hourly wage of $15. To reach the target of $10,000, you need to work approximately 666 hours. That's quite a daunting number.
Who hath summoned me to this realm?
Assuming you work 10 hours a day with 2 days off per week, totaling 50 hours weekly, it would take around 13 weeks to just over 3 months to reach your goal. It may seem like a considerable sum of money, but there's a catch. During this period, you won't be spending anything, not even food, and except for weekends, you'll be devoting all your time to the diner. In my opinion, this path can be quite challenging and draining, resulting in a rather arduous and less fulfilling approach to earning money.
There are always other ways.
If you don't want to live your entire life that way and you're not prepared to it, I suggest you learn about my intensive course, which will help you earn up to $100,000 per month by managing your own YouTube channel. I'll provide all of the details at the end of the episode. Now, let's move on to method 2, social media marketing agency, SMMA. In this approach, companies pay a monthly fee for promotion on social media. However, there are several things to consider. First, it can be challenging to find clients and it often requires a significant amount of time and effort. Second, you may encounter difficult clients who hinder your progress. Third, profit margins may not always be optimal. Lastly, competition in this field can be intense. Therefore, earning $10,000 in 3 months, especially at the beginning, can be very difficult. It's more likely that you'll need to gain considerable experience, and it may take around 4 to 5 months to reach the $10,000 mark. Let's move on to method 3, freelancing. Freelancing involves doing work for companies independently. However, there are several challenges associated with this approach. You need to possess specific skills and your workload is limited to what you can hand individually. Finding clients can also be a hurdle. As a result, achieving an income of $10,000 in 3 months can be quite difficult. Considering the difficulties and limitations in these methods, it's clear that earning $10,000 a month in a short period of time requires a comprehensive and strategic approach. Write in the comments if you're ready to consider this option for earning $10K and if you have your own method of making a profit. Method 4. Real estate investment. This option appears to be the safest, but it requires a significant upfront investment. Additionally, it takes time to recoup your investment. Thirdly, managing tenants and maintenance can be time-consuming. Moreover, real estate is not a very liquid asset, making it difficult to quickly convert into cash. Therefore, earning 10K in 3 months is almost unrealistic, unless you have a substantial capital for your initial investment. Method 5, e-commerce. This usually involves purchasing physical goods at a lower price and selling them online at a higher price. However, the competition in this field is already intense. Finding a successful niche and a good product can be challenging. Furthermore, you will need an initial marketing budget. Achieving $10,000 in 3 months is unlikely, and there is a high risk of making mistakes in product and niche selection. That's why many people turn to method 6, dropshipping. This is a subset of e-commerce where you sell products on your online stores and forward the buyer's details to direct suppliers for direct shipment. It is possible to earn 10K in 3 months through dropshipping, but it requires meticulous management and entails the complications I've already mentioned. Now we are approaching the most exciting method to make $10,000 in 3 months and sometimes even less time. Look at me. My personal example ironically proves that this method is the smartest, easiest, and carries out minimal risk. And in general, I'm excited to receive your support through likes as I share the ins and outs of building a successful business. I'm here to help you maximize your earnings and do it as quickly as possible. Method 7, uploading content to YouTube. By consistently managing your channel and keeping your audience engaged, you can generate tens of thousands of dollars in revenue. The best part is that you can start without any investment at all. For example, you can create a channel focused on physical health such as Body Hub and provide valuable information to benefit people's well-being. Creating videos doesn't require complex skills or expensive equipment. There are numerous free services available that can help you enhance your content. If you take a look at the videos on your Body Hub channel, you'll notice that the visual content consists of stock videos. Fortunately, there are plenty of websites offering free stock footage, ensuring that you can use them without any concerns about copyright issues. Additionally, there are various free video editing programs you can use such as DaVinci, iMovie, CapCut, and VN. If you need eye-catching thumbnails for your videos, tools like Canva, Snappa, and Paint.net can help you design them beautifully. If you're interested in learning how to leverage Canva's strategy to create shorts and potentially earn between $11,000 to $211,000 per month, you can find the link in the corner of the screen. But let me share with you why I believe YouTube is one of the smartest ways to make money. The beauty of YouTube is that your videos can continue generating income for years to come. Some videos I created back in 2015, 2016, and they're still bringing in revenue for me. Moreover, YouTube offers multiple sources of income. You can participate in the platform's own affiliate program, and you can also collaborate with services that have additional affiliate programs. What's even better is that you have the flexibility to choose the type of work that suits you best, depending on whether you have more money or time. If you have a lot of free time, I recommend creating your own content to maximize your profit potential. The key here is to make the best videos possible. To achieve this, it's crucial to understand and work effectively with the YouTube algorithm, ensuring that your videos reach the top and gain the highest number of views possible. That's what I discuss in my videos, so don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications. If you have more money than time, you can outsource the work to others. Personally, I hire people to write content for my 9 channels. Otherwise, I simply won't have the time for everything. I have a team of writers, cameramen, editors, thumbnail designers, and channel managers. Yeah, it's a significant expense, but it results in an increase in volume of videos and views, which in turn boosts my income significantly compared to doing everything alone. If you don't have the financial means or time, chances are you have a full-time job or are still studying. When I started managing YouTube channels, I was in the midst of an internship, and juggling both was challenging, and I often questioned if I was making the right choice, putting my internship on the back burner. But now I have some time and I'm confident I made the right decision. In my opinion, YouTube is the smartest and easiest way to earn an income. Making $10,000 in 3 months is quite realistic. Let's consider this scenario. You create 8 videos per month and each video receives around 100,000 views. If we assume that you're operating in a niche with a modest monetization rate, you can earn approximately $600 for every 100,000 views. Multiply that by 8, and you have $4,800 per month from a single channel. Furthermore, by utilizing additional methods of monetization that I discussed in this video, you can generate $5,000 from each video, adding an extra $40,000. This totals to $44,800 per month. If you have a team and multiple channels, you can multiply this amount by 4, 5, or even 10 times, resulting in $448,000 per month. And you're looking amazing. Picture yourself as a real millionaire with your sports car and your oceanfront house. Can you feel the wind in your hair while standing on the veranda? To learn how to monetize your YouTube channels and transform them into a genuine content creation company, you'll find all of the guidance in my videos. Subscribe to the channel and join me on the journey to financial success and the fulfillment of your dreams. This is a genuine opportunity because YouTube is the ultimate tool for making money online. I'm now completely convinced of it. However, in order to achieve results, you need to build a strong knowledge base and have a well-defined plan of action. Only then can you guarantee the desired outcome. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm here to support you. That's why I invite you to my intensive course, Hack YouTube and Make Your First 100K Online in 2023. During this intensive, you will gain in-depth knowledge on how to earn not just $10, but up to $100,000 per month using YouTube. I have provided the link to my intensive in the video description below. In this workshop, we will present 5 practical and effective methods to generate profit on YouTube in 2023. You will have the opportunity to choose the method that resonates with you most. Additionally, I will assist you in creating a step-by-step plan for achieving a stable income for the next 2 to 3 months, enabling you to make a significant financial breakthrough. You know what to do. Click the link in the video description, fill out the form, and embark on your journey as a YouTube hacker alongside me. I eagerly await your participation. Fantastic. Today we've explored 7 ways to help you achieve a $10,000 income together. If you're eager to discover more about supplementary methods to earn money on YouTube, make sure to check out my video on secret techniques that can potentially generate an additional $50,000 per month. Simply click on the link to watch it. Don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, as today you've acquired a blueprint to shape your prosperous future. I'm Mike Ross, and I encourage you to watch my videos, grow, and become financially successful. Wishing you immense success in your fantastic YouTube hacker days. Peace out.